Hey guys, wanna know how to create or design a YouTube thumbnail just by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to guide you a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first off, open up your BeFunky application or go to the website. Now, just simply click on Graphic Designer or Photo Editor. For easiness, you can just simply click on Graphic Designer right here. Now, we need to search up for templates. Now on the left side, just simply navigate towards templates right here. Select search for templates and then typing YouTube thumbnail. Press enter once you're done and your search results should load like this. Now click on any one of these YouTube thumbnails and select use this template. Make sure the resolution is 1280 x 720 pixels. Once you've selected use this template, your templates will be downloaded and you should be free to edit. You can either delete, remove or add images just like that. And that's it. You can now save it by clicking on save and save on anywhere that you'd like. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.